Most people work 8 hours a day, but these 3 AI tools can make money while you're asleep. You don't need skills or experience. All you need are the right tools. Let's start with the easiest one. First is Opus Clip. Opus Clip is an AI that turns long videos into perfect viral clips automatically. It finds the best moments, adds captions, and exports ready-to-post content with zero editing. You can make money by selling short-form editing on Fiverr or Upwork, offering monthly editing packages to creators, or batch-producing dozens of clips for clients. It earns money while you sleep because you can auto-generate clips and schedule them to post on TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. Views turn into income, and many creators charge $50 to $150 per batch using this tool. Second is Night Cafe, combined with Etsy. Night Cafe is an AI art generator that lets you create digital products without needing any design skills. You can make coloring sheets, wallpapers, printables, stickers, and themed art bundles in minutes. You make money by selling digital downloads on Etsy, selling bundles on Gumroad, or creating niche collections people search for every day. It earns money while you sleep because one upload can sell hundreds of times without extra work. Etsy handles delivery automatically, and many creators earn $20 to $200 a day once their shop gains traction. Third is Copy.ai. Copy.ai is an AI writer that instantly creates emails, social media posts, ads, and blog articles for businesses. You make money by selling content bundles, offering social media management, creating pre-made blog packs, or writing newsletters for businesses on a monthly subscription. It earns money while you sleep because you can pre-schedule posts, sell content libraries you create once, and take on monthly clients who pay for consistent output. This is one of the easiest ways to earn recurring online income using AI. And those are 3 AI tools that can make money even while you sleep. If you want part 2, drop a comment and subscribe for more AI hustle methods.